everyone. So, I just cracked open a spare dog core and, fed it to party time, and it said his lifespan was extended. So that's quite interesting. It was just a generic spare one, so not to worry, but it was pretty interesting. Big. So what else gives the thing for big nose? Garlic does. Oh, where's Misha? Okay, Misha's asleep. Baby. I want to see Misha for a minute. Misha's nose is getting bigger. Come here, Misha. I wish for you to eat pizza bagels and get a big nose. Hi, friends. Oh, spider. Let me fix this up because they're having trouble getting out. So let me move the graves around the place a little bit. They don't all have to be like uniform like that. Just because it's like a bit hard for them to get around. Yeah, hopefully this helps. There you go, guys. Also, if you would like some pizza bagels to eat, Spider, you're having such a wonderful day. Hi, buddy. Here. Who's visiting now? Smush, Baseboard, Spider, and Gremlin. And they're having a bounce party. Oh my god. Alright, Flora. Let's hatch you. Looking pretty good. And grass is also looking pretty good. We like to see it. And party time, you can hatch as well. He's getting like a big face. It's cute. All the ghosts in here are just like eating pizza bagels and having a great time. Excuse me, jeez. Let's go ahead and breed mud with probably leaf. Let's see what we can do. Oh my god. This one's cute. We get this one, and what else? Probably this one, if I can get it. Shoot! Shoot! I'm gonna crossbreed this one with this one. Oh, Oh, look, it's the party one. That one's really cute. I have to take this one for my project. He's like, he's becoming almost perfect for my project. Ooh. Misha, we are obtaining perfect results that we want for the future. Also, sorry, like every time he's just sitting there being so adorable and sweet and good, and then I just pummel him with like a fucking piece of food. Like I feel horrible about it. I don't mean to, it's just how the game works. Typical. Where's Typical's core? Remove that and put it over here and memorialize it. I'm gonna go ahead and hatch our new dog because, like I said, he's really close to perfection. Let's see, what else is in here? I'm gonna destroy the bananas. And in fact, now that they are adults, let's see here. I can store Leaf and who else is an adult? Buggy's an adult, right? Store them. And then if I go to a different room, and then bring out. They can be free to wander. Because they're adults now, so none of the gene stuff is gonna change for them. Party time is so cute. Gremlin. Gremlin, my dear. Would you like to help in the efforts? The bark is so cute. Misha has a cute bark. Hi, Grass. Are you smooching Flora on the face? Are you trying to eat Flora's face? Stop it! You're crazy! Oh my god. Oh, he's almost perfect, dude. Okay. Oh, he's so close to being like the perfect dog. I have to name him Almost. And you'll see why in the future. I am gonna get his dog code though, because if we lose him, like if he phases out of these traits and like we lose his traits, I want to be able to restore them. Also, there is somewhere something that gives black pattern. Where is that? Short snout, big tail, thick body, short legs, inverted snout, random mutations. I know I saw something that gives black pattern. Black body. At least I thought I did. White nose and ears. Maybe I didn't. Maybe I didn't see something that gave black pattern. I thought I did though, but oh well. Purple body. I guess not. No, here it is. The honeycomb. The honeycomb. That's what we need. Alright, let's get a jungle machine in here. We'll have one of those. Okay, let's go ahead and get almost this dog code. Because like I said, this dog is so incredibly close to what I want for my dream vision of this secret dog project that will become very clear very soon. Oh, and I also want Misha's dog code. Does Misha already have a dog code in here? Scout, baseboard, exception, grasshopper, stubs, gremlin. Nope. Alright, let's get Misha in here as well. Misha version 1 code. And as always, these dog research Wobbledog is in the description, so if you want any of the dogs here, you can get them in your own game. Party time version 1 code. Alright, cool. Almost, you're literally so close to perfection. Hi, buddies. Hi. Grass is doing well. Just need some food. What else should we try to breed into this lineage to help with my dream? I'm trying to see. Random mutations, no. Long body, no. Green coloration, purple body. Tiny nose, long ears. Flat body, wide body, thin body, small. Looking for like ear traits. Tiny wings. Short body, big nose, tiny head, purple coloration. We could do purple coloration a little bit. Thick legs, glossy sheen, long snout. I wish there was something for like purple on the ears. Narrow stance, black body, white legs, random mutations. Okay. We'll just keep with what we have for now. Honeycombs, alien fruits, and apples. Laura! Here. Why don't you enjoy a delicious honeycomb in these trying times? Misha! You, my friend, are going to enjoy many pizza bagels because I want to make your nose ginormous because it sounds adorable. Oh, we should have party time eat pizza bagels too. Party time. Oh, sorry, little guy. You hungry? Yes, you are. Here. Have a pizza bagel. Let's put these away. A washer? Oh, we're gonna have to put some themed things in the other rooms. Hi, Leaf. Here, you can have some burritos. Oh, that's not a great place for that, is it? just fly away. Here, Buggy, why don't you try to eat something? There you go. Fries for Buggy. I want to decorate this room a little different. I want to add some new things in here. I want to get rid of the den. I don't want them to be making dens in this room. I want to add this little stone rock thing back here. It's cute. We also got a bunch of like household things too, like we got mop and bucket. We got the the washing machine. We got, what else do we have in here? The treasure chest. Oh, we could put that up here in this room. There you go. It opens and has bubbles. Oh my god, love that. Misha! You're ready to mutate again? So exciting. I don't want to plant flowers in this room. I also... I don't really think I want them to build a den in here. I don't really want that. Here, Misha, eat this pizza bagel and then you can go in the cocoon. Whoops. No, I hope that doesn't mess it up. No, it doesn't. Okay, thank goodness. Party time! So terrified of the world. Alright, how is the green dogs? Oh my god, they're in a little row! They're so cute! They're so cute! They're in a little row with each other. Y'all are so silly. Aw, Foodiverse. No, not again! Come on! How am I supposed to get you to save any nutrients if you throw them all up? You tried your best? Buggy? Can you come out of the den, please? And eat some food. Oh my, do a backflip, do a barrel roll while you eat it. Jeez. Misha, you didn't go up in the sky, but that's okay. Misha's so cute. It's a nice, cute dog. You're an adult now, right? Misha, you're an adult. You can have papillas. We only have one egg left right now, but that's great. I say we have Misha and Mud have a baby before we end the episode. Wow. What a variety immediately. I want this one and I want this one, please. I want this one. This one is it's so perfect. I can't. It's perfect. Oh, I need it. It's perfect. I'm not gonna hatch it just yet. It needs to stay in the storage for a while for now because it will be clear, like I always say, in the future. It will all become clear for the secret project. Oh yes, let's let almost out of the cocoon. Oh my god, almost you keep getting more perfect. You don't understand. I am going to save this code, version 2. You guys are ready to cocoon too. Perfect timing. Misha, you're so cute. Leaf is getting old. Praise for being adorable. Yay, it's time for little fella to puppet. Oh my god, typical. Eat the pizza bagel. Thank you. Legendary dog. Ooh, look at that. Lisa. So many babies. Oh, I'm just trying to see if there's any others that give rooms that we could get a tall body. I think it's so many plants. Okay. another fish pellet. I wonder what that's for. Like if it's just like a weird food. Ooh, that's a new wall for downstairs. Like, is it just a weird food? I have no idea. That looks so cool. Also, hi Buggy. How are you? Alright guys, I'm gonna end this episode here. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Wobbledogs. I hope you enjoy all of our puppies. We have Adult Misha, Adult Buggy, Adult Leaf, Young Adult Flora, Juvenile Grass, Ghost Typical, Juvenile Almost, and Teen Party Time. If you would like to, you can donate to my coffee, or you can buy a commission for me, which I recommend more because you get something in return. I do live 2D rigging and art as well as general art, and I also stream on Twitch, and you can follow me there if you'd like. Thanks. Bye.
3, 2, 1.